In the circuit with a steady current, the potential drop across the capacitor must be. There are given to be three branches. One branch which is having potential V and a resistor equivalent to R. Second branch having a same battery similar and a capacitor whose capacitance C. The third one is having a cell having two EMF 2V and a resistance of 2R, and they are in parallel. So potential difference across C is asked, that is a capacitor. If you know the terminal potential, then we can find a potential across a capacitor. Let the potential across capacitor VC. The VC is the question now. If you know the terminal potential, we can calculate VC. How to find a terminal? We know whatever be the current given by the cells, once the capacitor gets charged, that particular branch current will not flow. Therefore, this is ideal. Remove. So let the current is I, and that current is flowing through even the topmost branch. Therefore, if you find a current I, simple mechanism, we know current I is equal to effective potential 2V, we have 2V and V, which are opposite connection. It's a 2V minus V divided by effective resistance 2R plus R, it's a 3R. It is a V divided by 3R, and that's a current. Once you have a current which is flowing through this 2R, we know there is a potential drop across this. So potential drop across a 2R is equal to I into 2R. I is equal to V by 3R into 2R. So that R cancels, 2V divided by 3. Therefore, potential V is a terminal potential V is equal to potential EMF, that is a 2V, minus potential across resistors 2R. That is 2V minus 2V divided by 3. Therefore, 2V comes out 1 minus 1 by 3 is a 2 by 3. It's a 2/3 of 2V. That is a 4V divided by 3. Therefore, terminal potential difference across the combination is going to be 4V by 3. Now, the same potential difference across this particular branch, middle. But we have a battery whose EMF is V. Therefore, this battery EMF has to be removed. That gives a potential across a capacitor. Therefore, potential across C is equal to, it is a 4V by 3 minus V. It is V by 3. So therefore, capacitor will have a potential V by 3, and that is given as option C. So C is right.